Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. With this tutorial we will continue making this beautiful doll. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links because I'm already showing you all the materials that you need to make this doll, and also I guide you in the videos you need to see before continuing with this part. Then if you are ready, let's continue because with this video I will teach you how to make the shoes. Let's start. For the shoes we will repeat 2 times exactly the same. I'm already made one and I will show you how to make the another shoes. We will start using pink color yarn. And on round 1 we will start with the slip knot and 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Starting in the second chain, we will repeat 2 times 2 single crochet and 1 triple increase. 1 single crochet and the second one, and I recommend that you put some mark in the chain number 4 because there we will make the second triple increase. Then in the last chain that we have now, we will make the first triple increase. Here 3 single crochet in the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. I'm sorry, it's my baby. She plays very close to me with Amber. Then after the first triple increase, 2 single crochet, and in the chain that I recommend that you put some mark, the second triple increase, 3 single crochet more together. And we already finished this round with 10 points. You can put some mark because we will work in a spiral, and on round 2 we will repeat 2 times 2 single crochet and 3 increase. 1 single crochet, the second one, and now 3 increase. 1, 2 and 3. And now we will repeat exactly the same one more time. On round 3 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 6 increase. The first increase, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we will repeat exactly the same one more time. 2 single crochet and 6 increase. We will finish this round with 28 points. On round 4 we will make 28 single crochet, but this time taking the back loops only. Taking the back loops only, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet taking the back loops only until finish this round. In the last single crochet we will change to white colored yarn. Then start the single crochet using the same colored yarn but finish using white colored yarn. And you can cut this yarn. We will secure later. Take the white colored yarn and finish this single crochet. On round 5 we will make 28 slip stitch taking the back loops only again. But this time 28 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 and continue doing slip stitch until finish this round. And you can secure these threads. Also, you can hide it now because it's better now than later. On round 6, we will make 28 single crochet taking the back loops only again. But this time you will take both loops, the white and the pink. Will be easy to take both. But if you want to take just one, the white one will be okay. 1, it's easy, but I hide the thread in the same part, then it's for that reason. Can you see the thread now? Then now will be easy. 2, 3, and I will continue doing single crochet taking both back loop until finish this round. From round 7 to 9 we will make 28 single crochet in each round, taking normally 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and the same on rounds 8 and 9. On round 10, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. After that, 6 decrease, 1 decrease, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1 decrease, and 5 single crochet for the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we already finished with 21 points, but it's not important because now you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for clothes now using a wool needle, and later we will make the ears. And remember, we need 2 equal choose, and I'm already finished both. Now we will make the ears that are very easy and fast to make. We will use white colored yarn, and we will start with the slip knot. Leave the long yarn in the beginning and will be easy hide it and secure. Sorry, secure and hide it. I'm so sorry. Then the slip knot and 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Starting in the chain number 3, this one, I will take the back loop, this back loop, but you can take whatever loop that you prefer. Then 1 half double crochet and the second one. In the next chain, 1 single crochet, and in the last chain, 1 slip stitch. We already have one, and we will repeat exactly the same. Six chains, 6, starting in the third, 2 half double crochet, one here and one in the next chain, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. Cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for make the union now with the shoes, also for secure and hide it. And pay close attention, and you can see how I made this union is easy. Also, if you want to use glue, you can also do it. Then we already finished this union. Secure and hide the thread. And remember, we need 2 ears. Then we already have diadem and shoes for Amber. Then let's put the shoes. First, you need to make this just the first time, and will be easy put it on the feet. Then we already finished this tutorial. In the next part, the last part, the number 4, we will finish making the dress. I hope and you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. See you in the next part. Bye bye!